Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinonso and on this channel, I teach you different ways of making money online. I don't just teach you how to make money online, I show you how to make money online. So in this video, I'll be taking you through how I myself, the teacher, has made money online in 2022. I want to be transparent with you and show you how I made money for last year. I'll take you through 5 income streams. One of them may not be online, but you will see as we go through the whole process. So without wasting your time, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Then we jump in to start looking at the dashboard of what worked and what did not work. So the first way that I made money online is by teaching online. By now, if you watch my channel, you know that I create courses and I upload on Skillshare, upload on Udemy and different websites. That's the first way that I make money online, by creating content online and selling them. The one that's worked the most so far is Skillshare. Now I'll take you through my page. You can see how much I've made so far from Skillshare, the number of students I've had, the minutes that I've watched, and the reviews so far I've gotten. Now this is the payment I'm expecting in December, to about $200, which is this. And so far you can see how many minutes I've watched. This decrease is because we're in January. I'm making this video on the 5th of January, so which means that a lot of people have not watched for this month. Of course, it's a new month, so that's why there's a dip here. But I expect the same kind of trend. It's like a curve. It went downward, then it's going upward. So you can see how many students I've gotten so far. And now, to the one I want to see, the money that I've earned so far. So you can see so far I've earned about $5,000 from Skillshare. That's both 2021 and 2022. I started earning in 2021 May, but it was a very small amount of money. But for last year, which was January 2022, you can see I started earning big, about $400 per month. And it was pretty consistent. You can see it. It was very consistent, about $400 per month. In fact, there was even a month I earned about $500 on Skillshare, which was in July. So from the middle of last year, I was already earning like $500. So hoping that I will continue making the same thing until in October, Skillshare banned some of my courses. I'll give you the details later why they banned some of those courses. And as a result, it dropped my revenue from about $400, $500 to about $163, which you are seeing here. So now I'm bouncing back and I'm expecting about $200 per month. It's not a lot, but at least I'm happy that for my channel that just had 1,000 subscribers, I'm impressed that I could earn this. If I was earning this from YouTube, I'll be posting 7 times a day. So if I add everything up that I've made for this year, I've made about $4,763 just from Skillshare alone. $4,763 from teaching on Skillshare. So I remember this is one of my income streams. Based on teaching online, I've also made money from Udemy. And I'll take you through my Udemy too. Let's start from 2 years ago, then show you what happened last year. So for 2 years ago, which was in 2021, you can take it back as far back as 2020. You can see I was earning $0 in 2020. Then in 2021, it improved. The amount of money I was earning started increasing, $30, $33, $100, up to January 2022. So in January 2022, I was earning about $200 from Udemy. And now, if we go through what I was earning for last year, February to December, you can see what I've earned so far. As of December, I was earning $130. So on the average, I think I was earning about $200 from Udemy as an average for last year. And you can see the graph, the lifetime earning I've made on Udemy. In February, it was down. In March, it went up. April, it went up. Then June, it dropped. July, it dropped. August, it dropped. It's actually dropping. But hopefully it should increase, and I know some of the reasons why they went down, but I'm having like my own platform. So instead of teaching on all these Udemy and Skillshare, I want to have my own platform where I post these courses and you can go and enjoy these courses. So if I calculate everything that I made from Udemy for last year, I made about $1,915. Overall, my lifetime earning is about $2,700. And which tells you that most of the money I made from Udemy, I made it from last year teaching. So for last year, I made about $1,915. I repeat, $1,915. So that's how much I made from Udemy. So now let me tell you about my next income stream, which I use to make money online. and which is affiliates or referrals. So when we talk about affiliate, the way it works is you refer people to a website or to a product and you get some commission from that product. Those people don't pay more, but you get an amount of money for that product. So if I refer you now to buy this Apple phone on Amazon, Amazon will give me like a cut, maybe 1% or 0.1% for referring you to buy from Amazon. So that's how it works. So let me take you through my YouTube channel. Now you can see my YouTube channel, even though it's in black theme, which is what I use. You can see here I have free audiobooks. If you click on this link on my platform, it will take you to get an audiobooks. And for referring you, I get some commissions for it. And there are also other commission that I get from Skillshare, from Udemy. If you click on my class, I get some money for referring you to take some classes on Skillshare. Now, if you go down, you can see I have Binance, I have Coinbase, I have eToro, I have eTrade. These are stockbrokers and exchanges for you to buy stocks and shares. So if you click on them, I'm paid some amount of money for referring you to their website. So I've made money from Skillshare, from Canva, from Audible, from Coinbase, from Binance, But I don't really have like a huge audience. Like you can see my subscribers is about 1,100 subscribers. So I don't really have a lot of people that are clicking on it. Like I have like $5 there, $10 there, $15 there. So it's still growing. So in total, let's just say I made about $50 from this platform. That's so scattered. So I didn't want to be taking you through all of them. Hopefully, as my channel grows and as you click on this platform, I will get more money from affiliates. That leads us to the next income stream, which is job. Yes, I have a typical 9-to-5 job where I work as a cyber security analyst. I can't tell you the exact salary because it's confidential. I don't want them to sack me. But I can give you like an idea of what it can be. And that is what anybody can search online. So there's nothing special with what I will show you. It's what anybody from any place in the world, as long as you have internet, you can search online to have an idea of what a cyber security analyst earns in the UK. So now I went to this website, talent.com, and I searched for cyber security analyst average salary in United Kingdom. I just type my job role. I'm here checking what they make on the average. So on the average, they make £45,000. So the low is £35,000 and the high is £62,000. These are people that have experience. I'm in my third year, so I can't tell you the exact salary that I make. I've told you it's confidential. But let's just go with what we are seeing on this website, which is a median of £45,000. So a median of £45,000, if we convert it to dollars, that's about $54,000. So which means that from my own job, which is 9-to-5 job, I'm able to make about $54,000. And this is why I also encourage you that if you're an entrepreneur that's starting a business, it's good to have a job or a salary that pays you every month so that you will not be under pressure. So imagine I was just relying on Skillshare or Udemy or affiliate, I would just be in a huge loss by now. Of course, I've told you that this is just an average. It's not the exact salary that I earn. So that takes us to the final one for today, which is YouTube. So this video you're watching is a YouTube video, which means I'm supposed to make money from YouTube. I'll take you to my dashboard and I will show you how much I've made from YouTube. We are on YouTube and you can see on my YouTube channel, monetization. So this is where you see how much you've made from YouTube. And you can see I have about 1,146 subscribers from YouTube. And thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I just reached like 1,000 subscribers in December. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. We are growing. So if you have not subscribed, why do you want to hinder us? Smash the subscribe button. Smash. Subscribe now. Oga Peter, Madam Juliana, subscribe, Jare. Let's keep growing. That's how we do it on this channel. So you can see I've met the first step for monetization, but I've not met the second step, because the second step is to have like 4,000 watch hours. And so far I have about 835 public watch hours, which means people are subscribing but they're not watching the video. Hopefully this year I'm hoping to post more exciting content in finance that people will watch. And also I want to hear from you. What kind of video do you want to watch? Because I don't want to make videos of what I like now. I want to make a video of what you want to hear about, what you want to watch. So tell me what you want to watch so that I will make videos about it that will increase these public watch hours so that I can monetize my YouTube channel, which means that at this point, I cannot monetize my YouTube channel even though I've reached 1,000 subscribers. Yes, I hear you say there are ads running on your videos. There are ads running on my videos, and those ads can pay me a significant amount of money. But because the public watch hours have not met it, I can't monetize the channel. So I need to reach about these 4,000 public watch hours before I can monetize my channel. Can you see I've met one, two, three. Out of the 4 requirements that's needed, I've met 3 of them. So I'm left with one, which is for you to watch my video to the end. So tell me the kind of content you would like so that I'll make videos about it. So in summary, from YouTube, I've made $0. $0. Tell me the kind of video you want to watch. Let me make it, and you should watch it to the end. No skipping is allowed. So if I add everything up now, I've showed you how I made money in 2022 from Skillshare, from Udemy, from affiliate or referrals, and finally from my job. If I add everything up, that will give me a total of $60,869. So which means that for last year, 2022, I made an average of $60,869. And for those of us in the UK, if I convert it to pounds, that's like 50,000 pounds. And a good number of people that watch my videos are from Nigeria. So in Naira, that's about 30 million Naira, which means I made about 30 million Naira last year. I've shown you what happened for last year. So hopefully this year, I'm hoping to show you more ways that I plan to make money and make more videos on how YouTube can make money. This year, I have tons of videos for you on making money online, on what will push my income from 30 million to 300 million Naira this year. There is something that's coming, something special that's coming. I don't want to say it yet because it's on a different level. It will change the money making game for me and for you. So if you want to hear this exciting thing that will push my own income from 30 million to 300 million this year, smash the subscribe button so that you'll be updated when I release it. But for now, I want to keep it secret. But the secret will soon be let out of the bag. So ensure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Thank you. See you in my next video on how to make money online. Bye.